Hey everybody, this is Lisa, Paper Lace and Bling. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the good fortune of showing you guys some things from Globeland. Now, I know there's been a couple other. I know Jody has done it, Jody Lewis Creations. She just did one. And I think Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, Terry Lee, I think she's done one from them. So, obviously I haven't been in this yet. I did get most of the tape off, but... So I'm very excited. I mean, you do get to pick, but I kept picking things and then they say, oh, we're sold out of that. You know, what else can you... So I don't actually remember what all I got. So, all right. I got 4 items. Now, here's the first one, which I really liked for Halloween, right? I mean, it's great trees for any time, really. Fall, Halloween, or if you have like Flower Soft or things like that, then you can, you know, make the leaves and stuff yourself. So these are really super sweet. Silicone clear stamps, and from Globeland. And there is the number if you're interested. I will hold it there for a second, or you can put it on pause and see that. All right, now this one, let me put these over here. This one is obviously die. Before I rip it, this is a Christmas one, and I'm hoping that I can, there we go. I didn't break the thing. So, let's get these out so you can see. It's a cup, like a coffee cup or a hot chocolate cup, and you have the top swirl. You have a Christmas tree. I mean, because you can decorate the cup with whatever you want, too. There's also hearts, and that could be a little heart. I'm not exactly sure. There's a belt that can go around the coffee. There is a heart there. Can you guys see that? So it's not just for Christmas, but I think it's mainly for Christmas. They've got little marshmallows, gingerbread men, snowflakes, you know, so you've got a lot of different things to choose from. And then here you have a spoon. This is like, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, this is goo coming down the side of the coffee cup. These are probably like to look like little cookies. And then you have little tags as well. And then you have the big cup with the stitching around it, and then this, I'm thinking, is a piece that fits inside. I'm not sure though. Maybe it's the back. Maybe it's the back of the cup. Yeah, that's what it is. It's to put something pretty on the back of the cup, because it does cut out the center of the cup. So then with this back of the cup, you can put all the different things in it you want. Ooh, you could even make a shaker card. How cute is that? With the little marshmallows in there. Yeah, but put brown paper behind it like it's hot chocolate and have the little marshmallows and gingerbread men floating around. Oh, super cute. Okay, so anyway, there's that. All right, so we've kind of covered Halloween and Christmas. And then, oh, I don't remember ordering this. Maybe something I ordered didn't come through. Alrighty then. I'm not going to open this one up. Yeah, I mean, it's adorable, but I don't know what I'm going to use it for. But, you know, these are octopus, squid. Not sure if I know the difference. And they kind of look like they're teenagers to me. Or This one's angry. This one's cool. He's got glasses on. This one looks sinister. This one is taking pictures and got sunglasses on. And this one is listening to music. And I'm not sure what this guy's doing. He's got something in his hand. Looks like maybe a key, but I'm not sure. I can't tell. But anyway, so they have jewelry making stuff. They have all kinds of paper crafting. All kinds of, in fact, I was kind of shocked. Okay, now this one I remember getting. This says PH, Panda Hall, Creative on Fingertips. So it's kind of a Tim Holtz, Stampers Anonymous-esque kind of stamp. But, you know, it's just a nice background stamp to have. So I did order that one, and that is the number. All right, guys. So there is my haul from Globeland. And super psyched. Super psyched. I'm going to be making definitely something with my dies. Super cute. And we're going to be playing with the trees and the background stamp. Oh my gosh, just so many different things we can do with that. And we'll come up with something with that, I guess. All right, guys. Till next time, thanks so much. Globeland is having a huge anniversary sale right now, just so you know. If you want to go on now, I am not part of the affiliate program or anything like that. I'm not making anything off this other than the stamps that they sent me. So, but they have for all products across the board 16% off, and there's no code required. Then they have, and I'm looking at my little phone here, so then they have, if you spend over $180, which you would get a lot because these are really inexpensive compared to what you're going to pay, you know, at a mom and pop shop or something like that. So, but if you spend over $180, the code is CELE20, and you get 20% off. So that's a nice little savings. If you spend over $400, you'd have to be on site for a long time to spend over $400. But you get $100 off if you do. I mean, that's huge. That's 25% off everything you bought. And that is CELE 100. So you can shop that now. You can go to Globeland, 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 and look at everything they've got. They've got quite a wide variety of items. And there were some things that I would have absolutely loved to have, but if they don't have a lot of it, they don't let us choose it. It's not that they're sold out, but you know, they're down past the threshold that they will allow the people that are doing these type of things to choose from. But they've got a lot of stuff. So just letting you guys know. And in the next 2 weeks, each week I will be doing a video with these. Okay, so I hope you're looking forward to it, because I am, especially in my little cups. And of course, you know, we're gonna deal with maybe some Halloween fun. I got to make a card for my grandson. So maybe we'll do that too. All right, guys, till next time, thanks so much. And check Globeland out and take advantage of their sales. If, you know, another 16% off of some prices that aren't that bad might be a nice thing. See you guys later. Oh, you know, and Christmas is coming up. So if you want to buy me anything, no, but, you know, if you have a girlfriend that you craft with and you want to buy them something, it's always nice to buy a crafty item you know they want. Talk to you guys later. Bye.